Ta-da! Here is an example. Okay. So what happened? Rabbit. So first characteristic, let's just say how key works. So I, based on a similarities and non-similarities, I kind of choose a contrasting characters, right? So first characters I chose was fur. Okay. Either they are going to have fur, yes, or they are not going to have fur. There is not in between option, right? That, oh, half of them is having fur and half of the body part is not having fur. That is not in between option. There is no gray here. That is only either white or black. White or black. That's it. No gray. There is no in between. That is why there are two complete opposite options. And in the end, there has to be only one answer. है ना? See, ये दोनों बहुत ही अपोजिट है. आखिर में इन दोनों में से एक ही आंसर हो सकता है. या तो हाँ या तो ना. हाँ ना नहीं हो सकता साथ में, है ना? Okay. So fur. Is there a fur or is there not a fur? Yes, they do have a fur. Whatever I've seen, उसके पास fur है. So yes. So the other option here, okay, there are two opposite options. And what is the result? It is in acceptance of only one. Only one has been accepted. Yes, they do have fur. And in the acceptance on one, the other option automatically get rejected. Right? That is very common sense of thing, that if it is yes, they do have a fur, then obviously the no here automatically get rejected. Because I've already said ना कि हाँ भाई उनके पास फर है, तो इसका मतलब जो नहीं है का ऑप्शन है वो ऑटोमेटिकली निकल जा रहा है. Clear? Okay. So after that I'm taking another characteristic, because I cannot guess what kind of animal it is by using just one characteristic. I have to get 5, 4 or sometimes many more characters, right? So the second characters I'm taking is about ears. Okay. So let's just say either they are going to be long or they are going to be short. Right? Yeah. So is it long or short? Okay. So whatever I've seen, their ear was short. So, in choosing one option, okay, in the acceptance on one option, we have recently read that another option directly got rejected. Okay. हाँ भाई चलो, दो options you have, that whatever I've seen have fur and have short ears. Okay. Let's just go in a much detail in the case of ear. Okay. So, in ear only, though they have a short ears, either they have round ears or they have pointed ears. So they are having round ears. Oh, so the pointed automatically get rejected. Can you see what am I doing here? I am adding each and every characteristic here, okay, just to reach out my culprit or whatever is I have to identify. Right? My identification purpose. Now connect this, let me use another heavy kind of color. Connect this with the first example I gave you about the evidence. Okay, the CID show. What they were doing, they were collecting all the things they have there. Okay, each of them is going to behave as a lead and going to reach you out to the murderer. Okay, so you are going to identify the murderer with the help of this lead. Similarly, now connected here, because I have chosen this different kind of characteristic, and then each of this characteristic, okay, is at the end, when I choose between two opposite, is giving me some kind of key. The answer is here. One got rejected, but one got accepted too. So yes, they have fur, they have long ear, they have short ear, and they have round ear. Each of this acceptance is going to give me lead. Right? It is a lead to a next step. Do they have here? Yes. Lead to? Okay, they do have here. What kind of ear? Either long or short? Short. Lead to the next one. Round or pointed? Round. Lead to the next one. This is how it works. Okay, each statement, its key is called as lead. This here, my friend, is your statement. This here is your statement. They do have a short ear. That's it, because they do not have a long. Right? So each of this acceptance, your answer is going to give you a lead, and that is a statement by itself. Okay? That whatever I have seen have short ear, have round ear, statements, facts. I already told you, white or black, no grays. They do have short ear, they do have round ear. That's it. A particular statement. Okay? Now, as I say, each of them is lead. Lead for what? Lead to identify your organism. That what kind of plant or animal it is. I have taken an example of animal, so we are going to go with the animal. Okay, so they do have fur, they do have a short ear, and they do have a round ear. Okay, of course I can go for many options like this, These are the only 3 examples. I can go for what kind of leg they have, short leg, long hair, short or long, so short leg, right? So many similarities. And after that, if each statement here, okay, each lead is a statement, and at the end I'm going to have one kind of characteristic. Okay, they have fur, short, round, short ear, short leg. Then I already have a data stored. Remember, okay, I already have a stored data. Then data can be stored in either manual, journal form, or in a computer form, soft copy. Okay, so I am going to match all the characteristic I have with whatever I already have. And that matches with rabbit? No, it doesn't match with rabbit. So my guess was wrong. It was not a rabbit. But it kind of matches with a hamster. Okay, all the characteristic matching with the hamster. So it was a hamster, not a rabbit. How I can got to this result, this identification? With the help of key. Okay, the family, or you can say like family, genus, species, okay, each of these different separate taxonomic categories are going to have separate keys for them. Okay, why? For the identification purpose, right? For plant, I can't use that ear or legs because they do not have things. So the key for plants are going to be different. So each genus or species or taxon is going to have a different kind of key on the basis of what kind of thing it is, a plant or an animal. Okay, keys, okay, are generally analytical in nature. Very important. They are analytical in nature. Okay, of course, what did you do here? You have analyzed thing. You have analyzed each and every characteristic, and with the analysis of this whole characters, you reach to the end where you got to know the identification, which was that it is not a rabbit but it was hamster. Now sometime it could happen that it doesn't match with any of your data. What does that mean? What does that mean? That means whatever you have seen you do not have them in data. Any of the characteristic does not matches with it. Okay, you have what you already have. That means it is a new species. What do you think? How they find a new species? By this process only, with the help of key. Okay, so this is how key works. Very important. Okay, I hope you got the lecture. And see, let's take a quick overview. What are key? It is a taxonomical aid just to identify the plant or animal. Simple. It is also called as couplet. Why? Because there are contrasting characters, okay, which you are putting. There is an opposite options of choice. You are putting 2 choice, A or B. There is no both. Okay, A and both, not possible. A and B both, not possible. Either A or B. Okay, so they are called as couplet. These couplets are always opposite to each other. Always a contrasting character. Very important. Okay, always contrasting, always opposite to each other. This is called as couplet of characteristic. Okay, then by the help each of your answer, yes or no, each of the acceptance of one answer is going to be rejection of second automatically. Okay, then with the help, each of them is going to work as a lead to you, and each lead is going to reach you out to the identification of whatever animal or plant you have. So this was all. I know that is much chaotic which I've put in, but just to let you understand, let me repeat in Hindi once, because I know that this particular topic is quite complex. जितना कि मैंने जाना है आपके लिए ये वाला टॉपिक जो है वो काफी कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है. सो दैट इज वाई लेट मी रिपीट इट इन वन लाइक नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज. सो क्या किया है हमने, एक की क्या होता है, टेक्सोनोमिकल एड है. हाँ, दो अपोजिट कैरेक्टर्स है. हाँ, या तो हाँ हो सकती है या तो ना. हाँ ना दोनों साथ में नहीं हो सकते है ना. या तो उसके पास लंबे कान है या तो उसके पास छोटे कान है. दोनों साथ में तो नहीं हो सकते कि लंबा भी है और छोटा भी है. दैट इज नॉट अ पॉसिबिलिटी. ऐसा तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना. तो ये हर एक ऐसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को हम साथ में रखेंगे. दो अपोजिट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, या तो उसके कान लंबे होने वाले हैं या तो उसके कान छोटे होने वाले हैं, है ना. या तो उसके कान पॉइंटेड होने वाले हैं या तो उसके कान राउंड होने वाले हैं. दोनों साथ में तो नहीं हो पाएंगे. तो ये अपोजिट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जब हम साथ में रखते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं कपलेट. अब ये ईच जब आप सिलेक्ट करते जाते हो कि हाँ भाई उसके कान तो राउंड है, लंबे तो है नहीं, तो जब आप किसी एक ऑप्शन को दोनों में से सिलेक्ट करते हो कि भाई ये या ये, तो आपने चूज कर लिया राउंड, क्योंकि राउंड दिख रहा है ना, राउंड है. हाँ, तो बाकी वाला ऑटोमेटिकली रिजेक्ट हो जाता है. होएगा ही ना, कि अगर राउंड है तो लंबे तो नहीं ही है, इसका सीधा मतलब है. दूसरा ऑप्शन तो है ही नहीं. तो ये हर एक एक्सेप्टेंस दूसरे का रिजेक्शन बन जाता है, और हर एक्सेप्टेंस आपके लिए क्या बन गया, आपके लिए बन गया है एक लीड. क्लियर? ओके. और ये हर लीड आपको कहाँ तक पहुंचाएगी, आपके पास एक ऑलरेडी स्टोर्ड डेटा है जो जनरल मैनुअल किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकता है. ओके, उसमें से जब आप हर डेटा को आपका जो रिजल्ट है उसके साथ मैच करोगे तो 60% 50% मिला, तो वो तो नहीं है भाई. किसी के साथ 90% मिल गया, 98% मिल गया, वो है किसके साथ मिला, हैमस्टर के साथ मिला. तो मेरा आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या आया कि मैंने जो एनिमल देखा था जंगल में वो कौन सा था, वो था हैमस्टर, रैबिट नहीं था. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल आई वाज गोइंग टू लाइक ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. बहुत इजी है कॉन्सेप्ट, जस्ट लिखा थोड़ा क्या कहते हैं, हम कहते हैं ना दोनों तरीके से कान पकड़ सकते हैं. सो थोड़ा आड़ा टेढ़ा तरीके से कान पकड़ाया है, बट आई होप यू गॉट द टॉपिक. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, फॉर 2 marks purpose and need purpose तो very important. So I hope you got the lecture. This was all about today. Okay, till then एक छोटा सा थोड़ा बहुत रह गया है, तो उसके बाद we can say that it is an end of our chapter 1, but almost an end. Happy. Okay, bye.